All right, for this problem, we are given this formula, and we're basically told that constant K in this formula is the number of plants the environment is able to support. And we use this to basically just find, like, given the current information, given the number of plants this year, and given K, we can find how many plants there will be next year. So the question is, according to the formula, what will be the number of plants 2 years from now if K is 4,000? So it's a bit of a pain because it's just a menial problem, but it's very structurally simple, right? So we just plug in this year's, get a next year number, and then plug in next year's as this year, and then get 2 years from now, right? So this will equal, we're starting with how many plants? We're starting with 3,000, as it says in the beginning, right? That the botanist currently has 3,000 of these plants. So plug in 3,000 for this year, n plus 0.2, 3,000 times 1 minus 3,000 over, we're told that K is 4,000. All right, and so now you just plug that into your calculator and get that n next year. So 1 year later is going to be, let's see what that is, plus 0.2 times 3,000 times 1 minus 3/4. All right, so that comes out to 3,150. So cool. So this is 1 year from now. This is not your answer yet. How do you figure out 2 years? Well, you basically take this and you plug it back into the formula, right? So we're saying, like, okay, so now 1 year from now, we have 3,150 plants. So to find 2 years, let's plug this in as the sort of this year value, right? So n, let's say maybe year 2 is equal to like n year 1, year 1, year 1, right? So we'd plug in 3,150 here plus 0.2 times 3,150 times 1 minus 3,150 over 4,000, because K hasn't changed, right? K is still just 4,000. So that's going to be sort of your second run through. And so type that into the calculator, here 2, and what do we get? Let's see. 3,150 plus 0.2 times 3,150 times 1 minus 3,150 over 4,000. That comes out to 3,280. It comes to 83.88, so we're just going to round that up. We're just going to say 384.